measurement of internal resistance of a cell by potentiometer. To determine internal resistance of a cell by using potentiometer, the circuit connections are made as shown in the diagram. The positive terminal of the battery is connected to C end of the potentiometer wire. The negative terminal of the battery is connected to D end of the potentiometer wire through key 1. This forms primary circuit. The positive terminal of the cell, whose internal resistance to be determined, is also connected to C end of the potentiometer wire. Negative terminal of the cell is connected to the jockey through galvanometer and high resistance. Across the cell, a resistance box R and a key K2 connected. Now, key K2 is opened. Jockey K2 is connected on the potentiometer wire. At a particular point on the potentiometer wire, the galvanometer shows zero deflection. So, now taken the balancing length is L1. Cj is equal to L1. Since the key K2 is opened, the EMF of the cell psi is equal to L1. Psi is directly proportional to L1. A suitable value of resistance included in the resistance box and also key K2 is closed. Let R be the internal resistance. Internal resistance. R is the internal resistance. The amount of current flowing through the cell is I equal to psi by R plus R. Psi is the EM of the cell. R is the suitable value of resistance given with the help of a resistance box. Small r is the internal resistance of the cell. V is the potential difference across. V is the potential difference across R is V is equal to psi by P is equal to IR from Ohm's law. V is equal to I already is given. This is the I value. Psi by R plus R into R. This is the potential difference. Across R. The potential difference psi into R by R plus R takes place across R, which is balanced on the potentiometer wire. The potential difference is balanced on the potentiometer wire, which is taken as L2. That is the balancing length. L2 is the balancing length. L2 is the balancing length. L2 is the balancing length. Balancing length. L2 is the balance. This L2 is taken as balancing length by balancing the potential difference on the potentiometer wire. Now we know that psi R by R plus R directly proportional to L2. Derivative number 2. We know psi directly proportional to L1, derivative number 1. Psi R by R plus R directly proportional to L2, derivative number 2. Now derivative 1 divided by 2, which is psi by psi R by R plus R equal to L1 by L2. Psi cancelled, and we'll write R plus R by capital R equal to L1 by L2. Now R cancel. So 1 plus R by capital R is equal to L1 by L2. Now R by R is equal to L1 by L2 minus 1. Therefore R by R is equal to L1 minus L2 by L2. Therefore R equal to R into L1 minus L2 by L2. If we know R, L1 and L2 values, we can find the internal resistance of the cell. This experiment can be repeated for different values of external resistance, or it is found that internal resistance of the cell is not constant, because internal resistance increases depending upon the external resistance are connected across the terminal.